So the lawns are starting to come out of this dormancy. So let me show you guys what they're starting to look like. And you've seen this one before. Check it out. Nice, right? Looks like a carpet. I know you guys seen this property before. All right, so one directly beside. Of course, it's in the back with the X-Mark 21 doing its thing. You know, we had this mower for the past 7 years and never had an issue. Only had to change the belt one time. But yeah, this is what it looks like. This is centipede grass mowed at a height of 3 inches. And we'll keep it at 3 inches. As of right now, it's non-fertilized. And believe it or not, guys, this is non-irrigated. Very, very nice. All right, here goes the trash guy hauling ass. All right, let's keep it moving. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to the other property, and I have the edger and I have the X-Mark 48. These are about 5 houses down. So I'll go ahead and start edging, mowing, and then Quest will come up and join me with the truck. Okay, let's keep it moving. This is what it looks like. So again, the centipede grass is starting to come out of its dormancy. Oh, by the way, let me show you guys. See these? These are pine straw rolls. They're supposed to be like 4 bales, 3.5 to 4 bales. Yeah. So how you feeling today, Quest?
Feeling pretty well.
Nice. All right, so this is a pretty quiet neighborhood. I'm gonna do this one, and Quest is gonna do the one down the street over there. Well, we're about to wake up the neighbors.